We are so honored to have you with us today as we break ground on our first fully integrated wet process lithium-ion battery separator plant in North America. It was just a few short months ago, back in May, when I had the presence of announcing our plans to build this facility here in Port Colborne. Since then, there has been a team of employees and valued partnership who have been hard at work to bring us to this milestone occasion.
So ladies and gentlemen, imagine, I was reminding myself on the way, less than 6 months ago, 6 months, that's not a long time. We were here with Vic, with Premier Ford, with the Prime Minister of Canada to make a milestone announcement for our battery supply chain and welcoming Asahi Kasei and the historical investment of Honda. And today we're delivering on this announcement. This is what I call vision in action. Not only we said it, but today, as you can see, the site is ready. And Vic was telling me, he said, Minister, you should go out and just see it's perfectly lined up now to have one of the key facility in North America. So it's great to be here again as we move together on this common vision that we have. A vision where Canada is ambitious, a vision where Canada is leading, where in fact Canada is winning, a vision where Canada is synonymous with best in class when it comes to EV supply chain, a vision that should make all of us very proud to be Canadian. As you would see, there is an EV revolution happening around the world. And the great thing that we should be proud as Canadians, we're leading it. And I see the CEO of Invest Canada just in front of me. You have been helping us as well. Canada is leading thanks to the work of all of us together that we've done to attract these generational investment.
Now, you've already heard Francois speak to the importance of this project for our nation's auto sector, but it cannot be understated that what we have achieved today truly is unprecedented. Asahi Kasei's $1.7 billion investment. And this is the first phase for this project, is expected to create more than 300 full-time jobs across the province's mining, auto, and manufacturing sector, right here in Port Colborne. So once fully operational, this facility will be the first industrial scale lithium-ion battery, lithium-ion separator manufacturing facility in Canada, producing enough separators to supply roughly 1 million EVs annually. So Asahi Kasei's plant will also play a key role in supporting Honda Canada's investment in the province. Now, through the recently announced joint venture, Asahi Kasei and Honda will combine their individual strengths to bolster Ontario's domestic battery manufacturing capacity, establishing a reliable supply of separators for the lithium-ion batteries, as I mentioned.
The new Asahi Kasei Battery Separator Canada facility represents a substantial investment in our community, and it's an example of the great things that happen when we come together to pursue common goals. Working with the incredible team from Port Colborne, Niagara Region, Province of Ontario, the federal government, and the many private partners who helped bring Asahi Kasei to Port Colborne has been nothing short of fantastic. On behalf of this whole team, I want to sincerely congratulate President Koichiro Kudo and the entire Asahi Kasei team for officially breaking ground in Port Colborne.